Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today we are diving into a legend reborn, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454 Big Block, a car that brings back the golden muscle car era with a modern twist. The Nova name has always carried a sense of raw American performance, and pairing it with the legendary 454 Big Block badge makes this new model an instant attention grabber. It's a car designed for enthusiasts who want that perfect blend of classic power and modern refinement, and Chevrolet has really gone all out to bring back something that feels both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. When you first see the exterior, it's impossible not to notice how the design takes heavy inspiration from the original muscle cars of the late 60s and early 70s while still adapting to modern aerodynamics and safety standards. At the front, the wide stance is aggressive, featuring a bold blacked-out grille with a retro-inspired mesh pattern, framed by sharp LED headlights that mimic the round seal beam look of the classics. The hood is sculpted with a prominent cowl induction bulge, paying homage to its heritage while signaling the powerhouse that sits beneath. From the side, the Nova retains its clean, muscular lines, with broad shoulders and slightly flared fenders that house massive performance wheels wrapped in low-profile tires. The long hood and short rear deck proportions remind you of the original design philosophy, but the addition of subtle creases and aerodynamic touches make it feel modern and purposeful. At the back, the rear end is just as bold, with sleek LED taillights that nod to the heritage models, a decklet spoiler that enhances downforce, and a quad exhaust setup integrated into a sculpted diffuser. It's the kind of car that looks fast even when it's parked, and it carries the kind of presence that muscle car enthusiasts dream about. Step inside, and the interior is a perfect mix of retro styling cues and modern comfort. The driver-focused cockpit greets you with round analog-inspired digital gauges that give you that classic muscle car vibe while still providing all the modern data you'd expect. The seats are performance buckets, wrapped in premium leather with suede inserts, offering both comfort and bolstering for aggressive driving. Retro-inspired touches like chrome accents, AT-style shifter, and classic badging are balanced by a massive infotainment screen running Chevrolet's latest interface with wireless connectivity and performance telemetry features. Space-wise, it keeps the two-door coupe character but with more practicality than its vintage counterparts, offering decent rear seating and a trunk big enough to make it usable as a daily driver if you dare. Performance is where the 2026 Nova 454 Big Block truly sets itself apart. Under the hood, Chevrolet has reimagined the legendary 454 engine for the modern era. This isn't just a carryover from the past, it's a modernized big block V8, naturally aspirated, pushing out close to 650 horsepower and over 650 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed automatic, the car delivers raw, visceral acceleration. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just over 3.5 seconds, and thanks to modern suspension tuning, adaptive dampers, and a reinforced chassis, it handles far sharper than any of its predecessors could dream of. Rear-wheel drive remains the only option, keeping true to the muscle car spirit, and with advanced traction control systems, it manages to keep all that power usable on the road. The soundtrack is equally impressive, with the 454 roaring through a custom exhaust that crackles and pops under throttle, giving drivers the kind of auditory experience only a big block can provide. As for pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454 Big Block is expected to start around $70,000, putting it in line with other modern muscle cars but standing out because of its unique heritage and naturally aspirated V8. Fully loaded with performance packages, exclusive paint options, and upgraded interiors, the price can easily reach the $90,000 mark. It's not cheap, but for what it offers, a true modern muscle car experience, it feels like a fair deal. For those considering this car, my suggestion is simple. If you're looking for something that combines heritage, brute force, and modern usability, the Nova 454 delivers it in spades. It may not have the hybrid systems or electric assistance that some performance cars are moving toward, but that's exactly the point. This car is about staying true to muscle car roots while giving enthusiasts a modern platform they can actually drive every day. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454 Big Block is more than just a car, it's a statement from Chevrolet that muscle cars are alive and well. From its bold retro-inspired exterior to its driver-focused interior, From the thunderous performance of its big block engine to its balanced pricing, it stands as one of the most exciting new performance cars in years. It's a car built for those who love the past but also demand the technology and refinement of today, making it not just a revival, but a true evolution of a classic.